We continue on with more USA World War I rolling stock. This 1918 Dodge touring car was part of the legendary 1919 Transcontinental Convoy. 3,251 miles and 62 grueling days across the Lincoln Highway. Now remember, no pavement, no GPS, and no power steering. Just grit, determination, and the drive to push Army mobility into the future. This car literally helped pave the way for the roads we rely on today, and reminds us when the Army moves, the nation follows. The 1918 Dodge Touring Car. Headquartered in New York, this is the 42nd Infantry Division Band. At the start of World War I, the 42nd Infantry Division was formed with troops from 27 National Guard units, stretching across the country like a rainbow. Composed of skilled musicians from all walks of life and professional occupations, they perform a variety of musical genres. Though their mission is primarily a musical one, the members were ordered into active federal service back in 2004 in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom 3. The band has also served in support of numerous state active duty missions, including cleanup efforts following Hurricane Sandy, distribution support during COVID-19, and recently, support for New York State Corrections. Commanded by Chief Warrant Officer 2 Ethan Wagner and led by Drum Major Sergeant First Class Drew Gans, the band is performing Over There, written in 1917 by Broadway composer and recipient of the Congressional Gold Medal George M. Cohan. Representing the World War I era is the 82nd Airborne Division, based out of Fort Bragg, North Carolina. You'll notice the unit is wearing replica World War I uniforms signifying the soldiers who served our nation during this time. When the Americans entered the Great War, our soldiers, under the command of General Blackjack Pershing, hit the trenches in the new standard. It was the olive drab winter service uniform. Now on their heads you'll see a steel helmet with sand-textured paint built to deflect deadly shrapnel from above. Not bulletproof, but battle tough. Nicknamed the Pershing boot, on their feet was the M918, 1918 French boot. It was designed to survive the brutal grind of trench warfare. And on their backs, the field pack, rations, ammo, first aid, and a gas mask. Everything a doughboy needed to fight and to win. Incidentally, the 42nd Infantry Division was deployed to heavy combat abroad and then deployed again in World War II, ultimately liberating the Dachau concentration camp. The 42nd responded.
सुपरसोनिक क्रूज मिसाइल है, 400 मीटर की प्रभावशाली रेंज के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। अद्वितीय सटीकता, विनाशकारी प्रभाव और दुश्मन के इलाके के अंदर तक हमला करने की उल्लेखनीय क्षमता। 344 मिसाइल रेजिमेंट का आदर्श वाक्य, सबसे आगे सबसे तेज। ब्रह्मोस के ठीक पीछे लेफ्टिनेंट तुषार तोमर के नेतृत्व में 301 रॉकेट रेजिमेंट पिनाका से पिनाका मल्टी लॉकेट लॉन्चिंग सिस्टम की टुकड़ी आगे बढ़ रही है। स्वदेशी रूप से विकसित है। भगवान शिव के पौराणिक धनुष के नाम पर पिनाका अपार विनाशकारी शक्ति और लंबी दूरी की सटीकता का उदाहरण, उसका परिचायक।
And next, approaching the saluting base, BM-21 Agniban. Leading this impressive display is Captain Manoj Chonial of 213 Rocket Regiment. With a range of up to 40 kilometers, it remains a vital asset for targeting enemy positions, logistic hubs. And next coming in, Integrated Battlefield Surveillance System. The system indigenously developed jointly by the Indian Army and Bharat Electronics Limited packs a punch with its ability to integrate all ground-based and aerial-based sensors on a common grid. Moving ahead on Kartavya Path is the indigenously developed 10-meter short span bridging system proudly led by Major K. John Abraham of 9 Rapid Engineer Regiment and Captain Jagjit Singh of the 234 Armored Engineering Regiment. This advanced bridging system showcases India's commitment to self-reliance in defense technology. And next we witness the impressive Akash weapon system, commanded by Lieutenant Himanshu Singh Chauhan from the 27 Air Defence Missile Regiment and Captain Shramishta Datta of 50 Lieutenant Air Defence. The regiment upholds the motto of the Army Air Defence, Akashe Shatru Jahi, which translates to defeat the enemy in the sky, highlighting its critical role in safeguarding India's airspace.
कर्तव्य पथ पर अब मार्चिंग दस्तों का जोश। चुस्त कदमों से आगे बढ़ता हुआ ब्रिगेड ऑफ द गार्ड्स का दस्ता। नाइनटीन गार्ड्स के कैप्टन रविंद्र भारद्वाज की कमान में ब्रिगेड ऑफ द गार्ड्स का दस्ता। 1949 में इसका गठन किया गया। आदर्श वाक्य पहला, हमेशा पहला। संविधान की मधुर धुन बजाता हुआ मैकेनाइज्ड इन्फेंट्री रेजिमेंटल सेंटर, पंजाब रेजिमेंटल सेंटर और राजपूत रेजिमेंटल सेंटर का संयुक्त बैंड। सूबेदार मेजर राजेंद्र सिंह की कमान में 73 संगीतकारों का ये दल। कर्तव्य, अनुशासन और संगीत।
And now moving ahead with traditions of sacrifice and strong built-up marching contingent of the Jat Regiment, the contingent led by Captain Ajay Singh Garsa. In their glorious history of more than 2 centuries, the regiment has actively participated in both the world wars. The motto of the regiment, Sangathan va Veerta, and the war cry, Jat Balwan Jai Bhagwan. And behind them, the next contingent is of Garhwal Rifles, led today by Lieutenant Rohit Lakshman Kodache. The 136 years old Garhwal Rifles, one of the most illustrious and decorated infantry regiment of the Indian Army. The motto of the regiment, Yuddhe Krit Nischay, and the war cry, Badri Vishal Lal Ki Jai. Following them, combined military band, the combined band of Sikh Light Regiment Center, Bihar Regiment Center and Ladakh Scouts Regiment Center, comprising 73 musicians. The band led by Subedar Honorary Captain Bishan Bahadur Chhetri of Ladakh Scouts Regiment Center and assisted by Naib Subedar Jatinder Singh of Sikh Light Regiment Center, Subedar Arun Kumar of Bihar Regiment Center and Subedar Chering Galson of Ladakh Scouts Regiment Center, playing the lilting tune Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja. And now the next contingent, the Mahar Regiment led by Captain Aman Kumar Singh. The motto of the regiment, Yash Siddhi, and the war cry, Bolo Hindustan Ki Jai. The regiment honored with 12 theatre honours, 9 battle honours.
कर्तव्य पथ पर अब जम्मू कश्मीर राइफल्स की टुकड़ी शान से आगे बढ़ रही है। जम्मू कश्मीर राइफल्स की इस जोशीली टुकड़ी का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं जम्मू कश्मीर राइफल्स की 18वीं बटालियन के मेजर विक्रमजीत सिंह। रेजिमेंट का आदर्श वाक्य प्रशस्त रणवीरता, युद्ध घोष दुर्गा माता की जय। सलामी मंच के सामने अग्रसर होता हुआ अगला दस्ता 14 गोरखा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, आर्टिलरी सेंटर नासिक और ईएमई सेंटर भोपाल का कमान सूबेदार मेजर एम चंद्रदात संभाल रहे हैं। साथ दे रहे हैं नायब सूबेदार संता बहादुर गुरंग, नायब सूबेदार धनजी पासवान और नायब सूबेदार रमेश कुमार परिहार। ये दस्ता ध्रुव की सुमधुर धुन बजा रहा है। 73 संगीतकार इसमें शामिल। कर्तव्य पथ पर अग्नि टुकड़ी, यह है कोर ऑफ सिग्नल्स। इसके दस्ते की कमान कैप्टन रेतिका खरेटा के हाथों में है। इस कोर के शूरवीर और समर्पित दस्ते की वो बखूबी कमान संभाल रही हैं। कोर का आदर्श वाक्य तीव्र चौकस, जिसका अर्थ है तेज और चौकन्ना।
మా వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.